Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Young Gru. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. We'll start with two wavy lines across, leaving a gap in the center. And then add a large curve underneath. Now inside each eye, let's add another curve near the top. And then one more inside. And then color both of these in black. Next, on top of each eye, let's draw a small angle up. And then a wavy line over to the sides. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the nose. We'll start with two curves in the center. And then bring it down to a point. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw a curve across. And then a small curve on both ends. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve down and bring it back up. Then from the top right, let's draw a curve down. And then curve it over to the left. And then bring it down to close it off. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the hair. On the top right, let's draw a curve out and bring it back down. And then a longer curve all the way over and down on the left. Now on the top right, where the hair parts, let's draw a curve up and back in. And then another one next to it on the right. And one more curve underneath. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's add the ears. On both sides of the head, let's add a curve. Then inside, let's draw a curve from the top with another curve underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the scarf. Underneath the head, let's draw a curve across. Then a curve down on both sides. And then another curve across the bottom. Now inside, let's add the stripes. We'll start with two lines down in the center. And then work our way out with two lines on both sides. Now in the section on top, let's draw stripes again in sets of two. Next, we're going to hop underneath on the left and let's draw the end of the scarf. Let's start with two curves down, like this. And then close it off at the end. Now let's add some stripes inside with horizontal lines. And that's it for the scarf. Now let's hop out and let's draw the sides of the body. We'll start with a curve down on the left and the same on the right. Now let's hop into the center and let's draw 2 circles for the buttons. And then a line down next to them on the left. And then from the bottom, let's curve it over to the right side. And then another curve on the left, bringing it behind the scarf. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. On the top, let's draw an angle down. And then curve it back in. Now from the shoulders, let's bring it down. And then angle it back in towards the body. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath in the center, let's draw a wide V shape across. Then let's hop to the sides and let's draw a curve in. And then curve it down on both sides. And then a line across at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a line down the center. And that's it for the legs. Now let's draw the feet underneath. We'll start with an angled line down and out on both sides. And then a longer line down in the center. Now inside at the top, let's draw a curve across on both sides. Now underneath the outside line, let's draw a curve for the tops of the boots. And then close off the bottom of each one with a curve across. And that's it for Young Gru. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!